On today's agenda, we're still getting ready for the new semester that starts in 2 days. I need to go to the gym, edit yesterday's vlog, get groceries, put away my laundry, read this paper, possibly buy a computer, and I would like to make juices. It's 11 a.m. We got a lot to do. Thankfully, I did already go to the gym, so we can cross that off. Right now, I'm about to go get a coffee and edit yesterday's vlog. And then hopefully I'll be motivated to get groceries after, or new computer. And I'll tell you guys what that's about later, but let's go. Outfit of the day, super chill, super casual, super shiny forehead. Gonna take these boxes to the trash when we go down. Oh, okay. I just spent 3 hours in there, but I did finish editing my video, so that's good. Now I need to go to Best Buy and ask them for a computer. But I'm taking this class that needs this software, and they're recommending a Windows computer, and I only have a Mac. And I really don't want to overpower my Mac because I absolutely need it for DaVinci Resolve for editing. So I'm gonna see if I can go get a cheap computer. But I know it's not gonna be cheap. I know it's gonna be at least $1,000. You're probably like, Sedona, what are you gonna do? What do you mean pay $1,000? That's insane. Hold on, there's someone looking at me and I feel weird. My school has a one-time computer reimbursement. And if that is true, if that's legit, I can buy a computer and they will reimburse me for it up to $1,500. But yeah, let's go check it out. I already know I'm gonna sound clueless in there. I'm gonna be like, can you just help me find something? Hi, thank you. Hey, what is that? What even is this? So random. I guess I got this laptop. Hope my school reimburses me. If this is true, that would be amazing. If not, my credit card is gonna have some payments to be had. Let me show you what I got from the grocery store. Sparkling water, mayo, Takis. This was $12, did not realize. Yeah, I should have put it back. I should not be spending $12 on mayo. Cottage cheese, Joyride. I'm very excited to try this. I got some eggs, tortillas, cheese, turkey. I got a bunch of stuff for juices, which I will show you in a little bit. Lastly, we have hair dye. Foreshadowing? Maybe. All right, I'm gonna have some rice and edamame. Then we can investigate the computer, okay? It's so blue in here. Sorry if the color looks weird. And my cat is playing with his toy over there. Let's open this up. So I need this for design software. And I told the guy, get me the cheapest possible. He's like, okay, this will only last you like a year or two. Kind of shocking. Okay, looks like we got charger, block, big block. This is fun though. I honestly didn't think I would be getting a new computer today. Okay, packaging, interesting. Ooh, it's kind of big. Whoa, this is crazy. I've never had anything like this. Always been an Apple person. It's got like this little sticking out part right here. What if I like have to return this? I don't want to take off all the stuff. I'm actually excited about this. It's a great opportunity to like grow my skill set because like I said, I know nothing about how to use this type of stuff. I'm gonna learn how to use CAD. This feels very business. I like it. I think I was just saying I can learn this new software and then just start growing my skills even in this class and on my own time. But yeah, okay. I'm gonna look more into this, set it up fully before my class, but I'm glad we got it. And I'm also gonna submit that thing to the college and hopefully I get reimbursed. We have made good progress on our little checklist. We edited the video, we did groceries, and we got a computer. Boom. All we have left is laundry, sell bio paper. Low-key not doing that. Juices. Guys, it's 7:30. I'm gonna be realistic with you right now. My boyfriend called me. We decided we wanna hang out. So, put a pause on the juices and the hair dyeing. Because you know what? I wanna hang out with him. Is that the worst thing ever? I know people are like, don't talk about your boyfriend on YouTube because it makes you less relatable. What? I don't know if that's the reasoning behind it, but we're not listening. Anyways, so yeah, he's coming in 20 minutes, but I will continue this vlog tomorrow. Good morning. Day 2. I'm gonna go to the gym. I know that. Gym outfit on. And then I'm excited for today because I'm gonna come back and we are going to dye our hair. And then, you know what? I don't need to tell you the day plan. You'll just have to see it. Workout time. I'm gonna dye my hair. So I just washed my hair with this pre-shampoo and now I'm gonna do the thing, mix it up. I've done this once before. Basically, I'm gonna dye the bottom parts of my hair. You might be asking, why? And the reason is because I feel called to do so. That's simply it. So first, I do need to like section out exactly what part I want to dye. You can kind of tell there's darker parts, like this is darker than this, which occurs naturally, but I like to amplify it. And don't worry, I'm okay with this shirt getting messed up before you freak out. This is fun. It's gonna be like a little school mini glow up moment. I feel like it's so loud in here. I'm sorry about the sounds. How's the section back there? Definitely uneven. We're gonna go with it. It's fine. I'm not gonna take it all the way up to the root anyways, so whatever. Keeping it casual. Okay, I think this is adding another level of loudness and annoyingness, so I'm not gonna make you watch this. I'll show you when I'm done, honestly. I'll just show you the result. Tell me why I low-key got lightheaded in there. I don't know. It was like the smell. Maybe I got in my head and then I started thinking like, oh no, is this like bad for me to inhale? And then I started just like having a little anxiety moment. I love my brain.
What happens when you mention?
It's actually looking kind of dark. I was scared. I was like, it's not gonna look any different. Let's see. Let's blow dry. Why does it not look dark? On camera it does. Like, yeah, I'm wearing a white shirt. But in person, I'm like, is it dark? No, it's definitely dark. I just think I should have saturated the ends a little more because you can kind of see the blonde peeking through. Finished result. I don't know why the top of my head is so flat. I've been staring at myself in the mirror for like 2 hours trying to dry my hair and just dyeing it in the first place. And then doing my makeup and I feel super weird. Anyways, this is what we're working with. See that contrast? That's what I like to see. Boom. I think I'm happy with it. I know it's gonna fade a little bit. What does it look like from the back? Maybe to get that really contrast look, maybe I do have to do some like highlights, but I'm so reluctant to use bleach on my hair. I really like this contrast vibe, but I also like that it kind of almost looks natural, not super like dyed hair. Wait, let's go in the sunlight. Definitely digging the contrast. Maybe next time I'll just do black. Ooh, like that, that's so cute. But I don't want full on skunk stripes because I had that before and that killed my hair. The bleach is not my friend. Okay, like look at that. That's cute. Ah, that's cute. I'm happy. It's actually dark. That's what I wanted. Dang, I really didn't see a difference for a second. Guess what we get to do now? Guess what it is? Juice time. Why is it so orange in here? Time to make some juices. I'm so excited. My boyfriend gifted me his Ninja juice maker because he never uses it, but I'm gonna use it. Okay, I think I remember how to use this. Ah, hold on, I'm not ready. Okay, now I'm ready. Can I just take a moment to say how grateful I am? This is honestly my dream. Making juices, I just dyed my hair. I just wanted to take a moment and be like, this is my dream life because this is awesome. I'm very excited. I used to work in a juice place, so I'm in my realm. I'm gonna make one for right now, and then I saved these little containers from Starbucks because they're glass. I can make my own juice shots. So we only have 2. That's fine. We can make 2 little ginger shots. I'm excited. Hi, Badger, are you joining us? Guys, this is the inspo for my hair. See the contrast? Who does your hair? Are you guys interested in seeing how to prep a lemon? It's satisfying. This shirt is so big. It's satisfying to me, but maybe it's irrelevant. I used to do this to 50 lemons. I would just sit there for hours prepping lemons, and it was my favorite thing. This is actually kind of a bad job. I'm cutting off too much of the good stuff, but you know, that's fine. Really don't need that much ginger to make a strong taste. Like low-key, that much is a lot. Guys, comment the swan emoji if you like daily vlogs. I know it's hard to comment and scary, especially when it's a video like mine that's not very popular, but just let me know. Comment a swan emoji if you like the daily vlogs. I'm trying to get a feel for the room. Okay, let's see what the yield is for just this amount of stuff. This actually is loud and not very aesthetically pleasing to listen to. So I'm not gonna make you listen to it. Let's see if this fills one of my little containers. Look how cute. Ooh. Guys, look. Okay, now, next time I go to Starbucks, I'm gonna get like 2 ginger shots so that I can have more of these in the fridge. So cute. This is what brings me joy. Little cute things. We should probably taste it just to make sure it's like gingery enough. Dang. I know that's a scenario where you would expect me to act dramatic for the video, but that actually is very sour. Yes, what if we add one of these kiwis, or like half of one? Because that was a little too strong. A little more kiwi. Still really strong, but you know what? That's kind of the point. Here's what I'm gonna put in the one I'm about to have right now. We'll see how much that gives me and what else I should add. That's it, bruh. Fresh green juice. I have one more thing to add to this. Turmeric. Put some little turmeric drops in there. Health serum. Amazing. Let's taste. I guess I should taste it, huh? So good. It's actually so good. Wow. It's not even about the taste, but it's fire. A little turkey wrap on a big plate. My green juice. Incredible. I feel like I haven't done anything today. It's 3:30. This is how I feel, even though I have. I know 1 second ago I was like so excited and happy to make my juices, but then I'm like, cool, that's all I've done today. Let's do something more meaningful. But I do have an idea of what to do. Hold on. I did just clean up my bathroom a little bit, simplified the countertop. Still not perfect, but now I need to address the most chaotic room in my apartment right now, the bedroom. Just because there's so much clothes and I don't know where to put any of my clothes yet. We're gonna spend some time organizing this room with this weird angle. I kind of just want to take a nap instead. So I have so many clothes and it's so dark in here. I feel like you can't even see me. Let's just rapid fire through this so that we can see some progression real quick. I am going to put all my short sleeve tops on this rack. Right now I have my big coats on there, which is not necessary because it's 100 degrees outside. And I'll show you the end result of the closet. Or should I put all my short sleeves in here? What should go on that rack? Should it be all my cutest stuff for display purposes or functionality? I don't know. I'm just gonna zone out with the podcast and I'll show you the results, okay? How about that? Guys, it's been 5 hours. No, just kidding. It's been 2 hours, but I freaking organized this. Look at. So maybe it still looks very chaotic, but it's actually very organized. Big coats, sweaters, knits, hoodies, crew necks, long sleeves, short sleeves, vests / party shirts, skirts, pants, jeans, jackets, dresses back there. And then over here, we did workout clothes to inspire me to work out. I'm just now thinking I should switch these to workout shoes only. That would probably be cuter. But yeah, everything is overflowing. So this has really made me see that I need to do another closet clean out. Even though I've done so many, I need to do it all again. Because going through all this clothes, hanging it up, I don't wear half of it. I don't wear half of it. And half of it, I just have it to have it. It doesn't actually come into play in my wardrobe or make me happy. I hate to say that because I've thrifted so much of it and kind of realizing that I don't wear all my clothes at all. But at least everything fits for now. This is everything. I just did all my laundry. But it's about 6:15. I tidied up the rest of my apartment besides that bag of litter. Don't know where to put that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this vlog. Let me know if you like the daily vlog thing. I think me being in my last semester of college, it's kind of a very fun thing for me to do. And I also don't have a job right now. So why not make YouTube my job, and then hopefully it will become my real job. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Yeah, if you do, just know that it's fueling my dreams. So thank you. I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Go do something you love. Bye.